kasi syempre, defending champion po yung kasama natin ngayon. And yun, grabe. Until now na natapos na yung kanta, grabe. Kinakabahan pa rin ako until now.
Hindi rin po biro na makarating sa ganitong stage. And actually, this is my first time joining competition po na nasa TV. And it was a great experience po.
Jackie, you have a total of 5 songs. Ikaw ang Bubbles!
Yung practice ko po is talagang dibdiban kung dibdiban.
Ay, hindi bang practice sa
Wala ako, ano.